This is April 24th, and this is the first time Brayden is sick. He's having a fun time, and he's sleeping. This is a good day, and me and my mom are going to a concert. And my brother Brayden is sleeping. And Landon learning to walk. April 24th. Right. He is 3. He's gonna turn 4, and then 5. Then he's gonna have bigger, and he's gonna be not hurting very much, and he'll have a good time. And he'll always have fun. And he'll be having fun every day. This is the first time he's got the flu. He's been through Landon learning how to walk. And Brayden sleeping. Next in one. Da 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 da. And Brayden's sleeping. He's sleeping in March, April. And this is the first time he's sleeping. He's learning how to walk. And it's April 24th. And Brayden, he's having fun. And this is a fun day.